So I like working with this company because look where we are. This is amazing. And we've got this amazing building. And we can go outside. And we've got an amazing staff that's always excited about working on all the production, it seems like. And there's different departments. And anywhere you go into, any of the offices, people are really excited to see you, excited to work on your project, and just overall enthusiastic. So what I like about this production in particular is the subject matter, of course, but it's also the cast. They come from different backgrounds and they work in different areas. So they bring all their experiences in and they make it part of the production. All their history, all their work experience, all their friends, their outside life, plus their personal life, plus their work life and all their skills that they have from working in different areas. Yeah. So it's the cast. The cast makes this production pretty special.